it's Tanisha if you're new here. Today I am filming another day in my life. Actually just finished doing a Zara haul. I found a bunch of cute pieces, including this dress that I'm wearing right now. I'll show you guys a little sneak peek. The video is most likely live, but this is one of the pieces that I picked up. Look how cute and flattering that is. So good. It still has structure, but it's still super flattering. So there's lots of pieces that I have here. Like I said, the video is probably live, so I will link it down below in case you guys want to check that out. But yeah, I'm just working on filming content stuff for YouTube. It's Sunday. I am filming a bunch of videos so that I have YouTube work to do during the week. I've actually gotten questions on how I've been doing transitioning to working from home. Honestly, I love it. It's amazing. I do not want to go back into the office. I have really been enjoying working from home. I have so much more time. I don't have to drive. I don't have to spend money on gas. I don't have to sit in traffic. I can wake up like 5 minutes before a meeting. There's lots of pros. I can focus and dedicate some of my time to YouTube. Obviously during the week I can't do a huge production like this, film a try-on haul, but I am able to, if it's slower, I can work on answering emails or responding to comments or editing videos, thumbnails, that type of stuff. So it is awesome to have that extra time to pour into YouTube, because obviously this is something that I love and I want to dedicate time to. So I think this is this time is obviously a really huge blessing for me, because I've been able to focus on YouTube and really grow my channel. I love working from home. I really don't want to go back at all. I wish I can just transfer to a permanent remote position, but I know that's probably not a possibility. So I'm really just enjoying the time that I have to work from home, because it really is, it's been amazing. So we are about to make food in a little bit. It's about 2 p.m. I did also want to share with you guys that I know the Nordstrom anniversary sale is happening. So actually today, when you're watching this, is the day when everyone can shop the sale. So if you guys are not familiar with the Nordstrom anniversary sale, basically every single year or all the fall items come out, so new fall items, they basically go on sale before they come out in fall. So normally with sales, how it happens is things go on sale after the season is over. So you get fall stuff on sale in the winter or winter stuff on sale in the spring. But what this sale is and why it's so awesome is all of this stuff goes on sale before the season even starts. So you get a huge markdown on really amazing new in pieces. And I actually did a little shop with me throughout the store. I went last weekend to check out the sale, shop some stuff, and I wanted to share with you guys my top picks from the sale. So we're going to be doing a little shop with me in this next clip, but I will also leave all of the links down below to everything I shared, along with some other stuff that I found online that are not in store. So if you guys are looking to shop the sale or find something for the fall season, definitely check out the sale if you guys are interested in it. I highly recommend. There's so many good things. So share with you guys everything that I have been loving from it right now. Okay, so if you guys are oily like me, you will love this Hourglass little set. It comes with the Mineral Veil Primer right here, and it's only $59. And it also comes with the setting powder, so super good deal. Normally these setting powders are about $50, but you also get a primer, so this is a super good deal if you want to get someone a present or you want to try out a new primer. I definitely recommend this. Hourglass is really good quality, and the primer is literally amazing for oily skin. So for all of you guys who are just as obsessed with skincare as I am, Paula's Choice has this 2% BHA liquid exfoliant that has salicylic acid, which we all know is super great for dark skin and oily skin, and also bright and hyperpigmentation. So if you guys are looking for a good exfoliator, this one is it, and it's only $39 on sale. Kendra Scott surprisingly had a bunch of really cute jewelry pieces also in the sale. I really love these rope kind of chain link style earrings, and she had a bunch of other cute ones. So if you guys are looking for some cute jewelry, definitely check out Kendra Scott. So boots are one of my favorite pieces to style for the fall and winter season. I loved these snakeskin print ones. I think they're the perfect pop and little twist on a really simple outfit. You guys know I love basics. These ones were on sale for under $100, and they're really nice quality. They also had a black pair from Edelman, and again, same just great staple piece to have in your closet. Now, if you're not really a booty type of girl or you want a more taller boot, they did have an over the knee style in black and brown, which I thought were so cute. I love the velvet texture. So Key makes some of the cutest sunglasses that I have ever seen, and they're honestly a super affordable price. Make lots of dupes of more higher end glasses. These ones remind me of Ray-Bans, but obviously not the Ray-Ban price. These are only around $40, so $20 off. Such a steal. Now, you guys know I love myself a good pair of biker shorts. These ones are from the brand Zella, and they were on sale for under $40, which is honestly so good for a good quality biker short. I loved this Nike crew neck. I think it's the perfect work from home piece. I feel like we're doing a lot of these days. I also loved these leggings from Alo Yoga. They have some really nice high quality leggings and activewear. This exact pair wasn't on the sale, but I loved the print of it. It's like a white snow leopard print. I just think it's very on trend and just a fun print to wear. Cute workout outfits and just cute activewear in general just makes you more motivated to work out. So I will link some similar options from the sale that are actually marked down for you guys. So I don't know if it's just me, but I found that really good denim that fits my body but is good quality is really hard to find. Nordstrom has a really good selection of premium quality denim. Some are on the higher end, so if you guys are not willing to spend that much, there are this pair of dad jeans from Topshop, which are right around $50, which I think is a really good price for denim, and you're not only staying in style but getting a good jean that really fits but is also not going to break the bank. I was really surprised to find that this bodysuit was under $16. It's super breathable, looks very comfortable, and it has a clasp, which you guys know is a must. Now we're getting into leathers, which I love wearing for fall and winter. This dress was under 50 bucks. It reminds me of something that I have in my closet. I love the green army color, and then this black, just a classic leather dress, is so cute for work or for dinner. Style it up with a little belt to cinch your waist, and I think you have an instant outfit. These shorts gave me all of the fall vibes. These paired with those over the knee boots would be the cutest fall outfit ever. I'm just absolutely in love with leather, and this leather jacket is only $45, and it looks super lightweight material but still something super stylish that you can style up so many different ways. Night, day, whatever you want, a leather jacket is a must for every girl's closet.
The card, the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you.
Those are all of my top picks from the Nordstrom sale. Again, like I said, there will be a bunch of other things down below in the description box, so check that out. I'm going to clean up a little bit because I made a mess. I'm not going to show the mess, but it's a disaster. So I'm going to clean up a little bit, and then we're going to go eat some lunch. I just finished eating lunch. We had lettuce wraps. I've showed the recipe before. It's super easy. I did like a what I eat in a day like a couple months back. I'll link it here so you guys can go check it out, but just did lettuce wraps. They were super yummy. Now we're going to make a little cocktail because it's Sunday, it's like midday, 3-4 p.m. and I feel like it's the perfect time to make a drink. So we're gonna show you a really yummy drink. Well, Tyler's gonna be making it. I'm just gonna, you know, do the camera work. But it's called a Bramble, and it is the prettiest drink. It's that time of day for you. Get out your stuff. I will leave the ingredients down below. The yummiest drink ever. Ta-da! Cheers. Mmm. Really good. You guys need to try this and literally tag me if you try it. So good. Okay, so got my drink. So good. So I'm at my computer. I am about to edit some videos that I need to submit and also just get up this week. So I need to work on that. I want to do that for like a couple hours tonight so that I make some good headway. So just gonna work on some editing and then probably work out a little bit later. I've been trying to work out at least like twice a week. You guys know I'm not like a workout person at all, but I'm just tired of being lazy, so I'm forcing myself to like be more active and just like, even if it's like 15 minutes or something like super small, minor, not that much, just move my body a little bit. So I've been doing like 30 minutes. I'm trying to work my way up. It's like baby steps, you know? I am at like 30 minutes right now, which sounds pathetic, but it's a lot more than I was doing. 30 minutes is better than nothing. And I just like do the jump rope and then do ab and like butt exercises. I just need to like do that consistently and then I'll feel better about like doing more days and doing longer. I'm gonna work for a little bit and then we'll work out a little bit later.
On a Saturday night in the summer, sundown and they all come out. Lamborghinis and the rented Hummers. The party's on, so they're headed downtown. Everybody's looking for a come up, and they wanna know what you're about. Me in the middle with the one I love, and we're just trying to figure everything out. Drop top designer clothes, front row at fashion shows. What you do and who you know. Inside the world of beautiful people we are not beautiful. Yeah, that's not who